Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram photos for free. Very easy, very simple guys. Let's launch the Instagram app first and try to find the picture that we want to download. For example, over here, let's say we want to download this picture over here. All you gotta do is to click on the three dots on top of the picture, top right corner. Then you want to click on link. This way we're just going to copy the link from the picture on our clipboard. Then I want you to go on Google Chrome and look for this app over here. There's two options. First, you can use the inflag.com or you can use snapinsta.app. Previously, I've been using more snapinsta.app, so this example I will proceed with this. So all you want to do over here is simply to come over and paste the link. Okay, then you click download. Usually it takes a couple of seconds. There you have it. This is the image that we copied. This is the image that we want to download. All you gotta do is then click download the photo, and it's simple, it's easy, it's free, and this is how you download photos from Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.